Welcome to Itsukushima Shrine, a breathtaking cultural landmark located on the sacred island of Miyajima in Japan. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, this extraordinary site is celebrated not only for its stunning beauty but also for its profound spiritual significance. For centuries, Tsukushima Shrine has attracted visitors from around the globe, inviting them to immerse themselves in its rich history and serene surroundings. As you approach the shrine, you will be greeted by the gentle presence of the island's deer, revered as the messengers of the gods. These graceful creatures embody the spirit of Miyajima, roaming freely among ancient trees and sacred shrines, enchanting the island's mystical atmosphere. The interplay of nature and spirituality at Tsukushima Shrine creates a unique experience that resonates deeply with all who visit, making it a true treasure of Japan's cultural heritage. Whether you are there to admire the iconic floating Torii Gate, explore the intricacy of the shrine's architecture, or simply bask in tranquility of this enchanting place, Itsukushima Shrine promises an unforgettable journey into the heart of Japan's spiritual landscape. Itsukushima Shrine is a magnificent example of traditional Japanese architecture with a rich history dating back to the 6th century. Nested on the picturesque island of Itsukushima, now known as Miyajima, this sacred site was established to honor the island's deities and serve as a spiritual sanctuary for the local community. It is believed that the shrine was founded around 593 AD by the influential Fujiwara clan, who played a pivotal role in shaping Japanese history and culture. Dedicated to the three significant deities, Ichikishima Hime, Tagori Hime, and Takao Kami, Itsukushima Shrine is more than just a place of worship. It embodies spiritual protection and good fortune. Ichikishima Hime is revered as the goddess of the sea and storms. Tagori Hime represents rice harvest and agricultural prosperity, while Takao Kami, the god of mountains, is associated with the natural world and its abundance. Together, these deities symbolize the harmonious relationship between the people, their land, and the divine. Architecturally, Itsukushima Shrine is a marvel that exemplifies the beauty and balance of traditional Japanese aesthetics. Its structures are built on stilts, giving the illusion that they are floating on water during high tide, creating an ethereal visual effect that captivates visitors. The vibrant vermilion of the buildings contrasts beautifully with the surrounding landscape, particularly against the sacred backdrop of Mount Misen. The shrine's design incorporates elements of Shinto beliefs, emphasizing a profound respect for nature and spiritual realm. For the local residents of Miyajima, Itsukushima Shrine holds a deep significance beyond its architectural beauty. It serves as a vital source of spiritual guidance, cultural identity, and community pride. For centuries, the shrine has been at the center of local traditions, rituals, and festivals, fostering a sense of belonging and continuity among the people. Each year, thousands of pilgrims and tourists visit, paying homage to its deities and participating in various ceremonies that further strengthen the bond between the community and their heritage. During my visit, I purchased a special lucky charm from a lovely stall within the shrine, hoping it would provide me with protection during my travels. This charm was not merely a trinket, it was beautifully crafted and rich with meaning. Surrounded by the scent of incense and the soft whispers of prayers, I held the charm and felt a wave of confidence and comfort wash over me, as if the tranquility of the shrine was there to shield me from misfortune. In essence, Itsukushima Shrine is more than just a historical site. It is a living testament to the enduring spirit of the people of Miyajima. It embodies the intricate tapestry of faith, culture, and nature that defines their way of life, serving as a reminder of the importance of honoring their past while looking towards the future. One of the most iconic features of the shrine is the floating Torii Gate, a magnificent structure that stands an impressive height of 16.6 meters. This remarkable gate is not only a visual marvel, but also a profound symbol of the spiritual connection between the natural and the divine. Constructed in 1168 from resilient camphor wood, the floating Torii Gate showcases the exquisite beauty of Shinto architecture, which is deeply rooted in the profound respect for nature. The gate's striking design embodies the Shinto belief that the divine can be encountered in the natural world, making it a fitting entryway to the sacred place of the shrine. As the tides ebb and flow, the floating Torii Gate creates a breathtaking spectacle that captivates the hearts of all who visit. During high tide, the structure appears to float serenely on the water, enveloping the observer in an ethereal atmosphere that invites reflection and contemplation. This enchanting sight has inspired countless visitors, artists, and photographers, drawing them into a moment of tranquility and connection with the divine. When the tide recedes, visitors have the unique opportunity to approach the gate on foot, allowing them to fully appreciate its grandeur and intricacy up close. This experience highlights the fluidity between the sacred and the secular, as one can walk among the very elements that defines this revered space. The juxtaposition of the gate's majestic presence against the backdrop of the shifting tides serves as a powerful reminder of life's impermanence and the enduring nature of spiritual beliefs. The floating Torii Gate's significance extends beyond its architectural beauty. It embodies the spiritual essence of Shintoism, which emphasizes harmony with nature and the reverence of kami, or spirits. As visitors stand before this magnificent structure, they are invited to reflect on their own place within the natural world and contemplate the deeper meanings of existence. This powerful connection fosters a sense of unity and peace, making the floating Torii Gate not only a landmark of architectural splendor, but also a profound spiritual symbol that resonates with all who encounter it. Miyajima Island, celebrated for its stunning vistas and revered shrines, is also home to a unique population of deer that embodies the island's cultural and spiritual essence. These graceful creatures, often seen roaming freely amid the lush landscapes and ancient temples, are not just inhabitants of the island, they are esteemed as the messengers of the god, representing the profound connection between nature and spirituality that enriches the Miyajima experience. The beauty of these deer is truly captivating. Their elegant frames, adorned with soft tawny coats, speckled with white spots, create a striking contrast against the vibrant greenery and the serene backdrop of the island's iconic cherry blossoms and autumn foliage. With gentle, expressive eyes and a calm demeanor, they exude a sense of tranquility and grace that resonates deeply with visitors. As they wander the paths of Miyajima, often accompanied by the gentle rustles of leaves and the distant sounds of temple bells, they become living symbols of peace and harmony. Historically, the bond between the island's residents and these deer has been one of mutual respect and guardianship. In 1636, during the Edo period, the Tokugawa shogunate issued a decree that recognized the sacred stature of these majestic animals, banning their hunting and enshrining them in the island's cultural narrative. This proclamation not only highlighted the reverence for the deer, but also fostered a deep-rooted sense of coexistence between the island's inhabitants and its wildlife. The deer are viewed as the protectors of the island's shrines, embodying a divine presence that locals and visitors alike seek to honor. However, as enchanting as these creatures are, it is crucial to approach them with a sense of reverence, particularly during the autumn mating season. Male deer, known as bucks, can become notably territorial and aggressive during this time, driven by instincts to compete for the attention of females. Visitors are strongly encouraged to maintain a respectful distance during this period, observing the deer's mating ritual from afar. These displays, while fascinating, can be intense, and getting too close may provoke defensive behavior from the males, posing risk from both the deer and the onlookers. The presence of these deer is a poignant reminder of the delicate balance within nature, a balance that thrives on understanding and respect. By honoring these magnificent creatures and acknowledging their sacred statues, we help preserve the rich cultural heritage of Miyajima and contribute to the flourishing of the harmonious ecosystem that thrives on this breathtaking island. In witnessing the beauty of the deer and the serenity they bring to Miyajima, we are invited to reflect on our own connection to the nature and the responsibility that comes with it. My recent culinary adventure on Miyajima Island was a feast for the senses, brimming with unique flavors and delightful experiences that truly captured the island's charm. I began my gastronomic exploration with a handheld okonomiyaki, a clever twist on Hiroshima-style classic. This portable version packed layers of savory cabbage, tender pork, and rich sauce into a convenient format, perfect for wandering. Each bite was a delicious reminder of local tastes, allowing me to enjoy the stunning island scenery while savoring this satisfying treat. The ability to munch on it while exploring was a delightful bonus. After the okonomiyaki, I indulged in an anago meshi flavored croquette. The crispy outer layer revealed a wonderfully savoring filling inspired by the local specialty, grilled eel over rice. Each bite offered a delightful blend of textures and flavor, showcasing the island's culinary creativity. This innovative take on a traditional dish quickly became a highlight of my trip. My food journey continued with a bacon wrapped cheese nigiri tent. The indulgent combination of smoky bacon and creamy cheese was utterly satisfying. As I enjoyed this delicious treat, a friendly dog approached, hoping for a taste of my snack. This unexpected encounter added a playful touch to my meal and highlighted the warmth of the local community. The dog's adorable antics were the cherry on top on an already delightful experience. To conclude my culinary escapade, I couldn't resist trying the fried momiji manchu, a beloved local sweet shaped like a maple leaf. I chose several fillings: koshi-ang, which is sweet red bean paste, custard, and cream cheese. Each variety was a delightful surprise, with the crispy coating perfectly contemplating the rich flavorful fillings. The combination of textures and tastes provide a sweet and satisfying finale to my food journey. Miyajima is truly a paradise for food lovers, and my trip was filled with unforgettable bites and heartwarming moments. Each dish reflected the island's culinary ingenuity while immersing me in its vibrant culture. From the handheld okonomiyaki to the charming dog encounter, every element contributed to an extraordinary experience. Whether you are a foodie or simply seeking to explore, Miyajima is a destination that promises to delight the senses. As I reflect on my journey through the enchanting realm of Itsukushima Shrine and the sacred island of Miyajima, I find myself profoundly moved by the deep intertwining of culture, spirituality, and nature that defines this extraordinary place. Each moment spent here has reminded me of the beauty that arises when humanity honors its history and embraces the natural world, fostering a sense of unity that transcends time and space. Walking among the ancient structures of the shrine, with the floating torii gate standing majestically against the changing tides, I felt a connection to something larger than myself. The ethereal quality of the gate, appearing to float on the shimmering waters during high tide, serve as a metaphor for the delicate balance between the sacred and the mundane. It was a poignant reminder of our own lives, where moments of beauty and tranquility often intermingle with the chaos and impermanence of existence. The gentle presence of the island's deer, revered as messengers of the gods, further enriched my experience. Their graceful movements and serene demeanor evoke a sense of peace that resonates deeply within me. Observing these magnificent creatures, I was struck by the profound respect the local community has for them, reflecting the symbiotic relationship that exists between the people of Miyajima and their natural environment. This connection fosters a culture of guardianship and reverence, reminding us all of our responsibility to protect and honor the world around us. As I leave this sacred island, I carry with me not just memories of breathtaking sights and cultural insights, but also a renewed appreciation for the spiritual dimensions of life. Itsukushima Shrine and Miyajima are more than mere destination. They are vibrant expression of faith, history, and the natural world, inviting all who visit to encourage in reflection and contemplation. I encourage each of you to seek out your own moments of serenity and connection with nature, to honor the histories and culture that shape our world, and to embrace the beauty that lies in the delicate balance of life. May we all be inspired by the spirit of Miyajima, carrying forward its lessons of harmony, respect, and reverence as we navigate our own journeys. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of Itsukushima Shrine. May your travels be filled with wonder and peaceful reflections.